Oh, this is a dead wolf or something? This shit looks real as hell. Like, guys, I don't even know if this is real, but it looks real. It looks like there's bones and everything on this. Oh my god, the fur detail. Oh. Yo, this is another life story, guys. This looks like an actual dead animal. I think they picked it clean. Bro. Just look at this. This detail is crazy. Yo. I can't tell if that's like bones. Bro, this is sad, man. This is really sad, bro. I don't like seeing dead animals, especially big dogs like that. I really, really hope he's in a better place, guys. This has been another video from yours truly, Charles. And I hope you guys have a better day than this animal. Alright, guys. Much love. Peace.